Hi, Face. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new, beautiful day here in France. It is sunny and hot outside. I went to drop Tyler to school this morning. Sarah is here playing in our playpen and baby somewhere around here because we are going out on a date. We're going out on a date. We have a few things that we need to get done today, so we're heading out. But real quick before we head out on the road, I want to tell you guys about this elegant piece of jewelry that I'm wearing in my ears. Let me get up close and personal so you guys can see that beauty, honey child. All right, you guys, take a good look at it. All right, now that you've soaked that all in, I am here to tell you about this beautiful piece that is from a company called Ana Luisa. And Ana Luisa is a carbon neutral, sustainable jewelry line that sells elegant yet affordable jewelry pieces that you guys can totally afford, starting at as low as $39. Yes, you heard it right, as low as $39. You guys can copy your pieces from Ana Luisa. They have many elegant design over there that you can choose from for just about any occasion. But the reason why I like these pieces right here is because they're so me simple yet classy. I wish I knew about Ana Luisa when I was getting married, because then these pieces are pieces that I would definitely go with, whether for myself as a bride, for this one as example, or as gift to my bridesmaid and stuff like that, because they're very elegant and you can give them to your bridesmaid, you can give them to your bridal party, and they're beautiful, sustainable pieces. That's something that I really like about this company, is that it's carbon neutral. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys two other pieces that I went ahead and choose from Ana Luisa. So beautiful. So this is another one that I choose from them. This one have the heart shape at the bottom of it that I think have an elegant lovely touch to it. That is definitely something that you guys could share with your bridesmaid, or just with somebody that means something really sentimental to you. This is another piece that every time I wear it, I just feel so loved because of this heart on it. This is another one that I choose. This one is a knob, and it's so classy. I love the knob. I love the design on it. Let me show you guys that up close. So there we go. Isn't that beautiful? You guys would have seen me wearing all these three pieces for the past few weeks because I am totally in love with them, to the point where I just keep rotating each of them throughout my outfits, whatever occasion it is that I'm going with. And Ana Luisa also sell necklaces. Their necklaces are really neat, and they have necklaces that also matches the earring. But I'll leave the link down below so you guys can go ahead and click and get 10% off by using the code Melissa Delaveaus 10 to get 10% off. Make sure you guys go ahead and click that link. But hey, it's never too late right now. That's why you are getting the chance to go ahead and cop your pieces at as low as $39. And they also ship worldwide, so you don't have to worry about where in the world you are, and the shipping is pretty fast. And let me show you how cute is the packaging. So when you take off your earring, you don't have to worry about where to store it. It comes in these really cute little bags. And if you're looking for something elegant, it doesn't really matter the occasion or the style that you're going for, Ana Luisa have something for everybody. It's completely affordable, and click the link down below to get 10% off. So I would absolutely recommend Ana Luisa to everybody. All of you guys, go ahead and click the link right now to get 10% off by using the code Melissa Delaveaus 10 and cop your earring. Isn't these beautiful? I love this one because it also have a little flare of the diamond at the end, and it's absolutely beautiful. And use up that 10% code. Now you guys, let's go ahead and enjoy today's vlog. Babe and I have a bunch of things that we want to get done today. So we're heading out while Tyler is at school. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. And if it's the first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. You guys haven't seen me in a dress for so long. But listen, this earring bring out the best in me, especially this one. Makes me really feel extra glammy and extra classy. Here we go. Heading on the road. So, let go. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is that pretty girl? Say hi. Say cuckoo. I'm all dressed and heading out with Mama. Look at us. Ready? Ready? Say morning, husband.
Good morning, good afternoon. It's one new day, it's Monday. Monday. I'm at home today. It feels like a vacation day.
Come on. Come. No. Something in your shoes?
What you put under your dress is like a
Underwear.
kind of underwear.
The one to cover the diaper. She's so cute. Go, princess, in a cute dress. You looking cute, girl. Say hi, Papa. Hi. You guys, babe and I on the road. We in these streets. We went to Primark to exchange the pants for babe and pick up some goodies for myself. So I got myself 2 slippers. So now we're heading to another store because we need to get some lighting material to finish up the lighting in our house. So that's where we're heading to right now. My girl is in the back. She wanna sleep so bad. So I'm gonna stop and feed Sarah and before we go to that light store, and then see what else we have to get done before I head back home. And then we're gonna have a nice little lunch, me and the husband, with no Tyler. Tyler is at school. It's good to not have the kids sometimes. Sarah soon gone to school too. So then it's just me and you, baby. Even if it's one day out of the month. I remember when Tyler used to, before Sarah, I used to go to town like one day out of the week to meet you for lunch.
Yeah, we're trying.
Yeah, we used to try to have lunch together. I miss those days. I miss those days.
Good job. Celui-là, il va où celui-là? Bravo. Celui-là. Suis, ça va où suis? Good job, bravo. Oui, allez, mets-le. Miam, miam, miam. Oui.
Papa, j'ai écrit 20 mots.
Tu vois ce qu'elle fait? Elle fait ça. Miam, miam, miam. Et après, tu te demandes, elle fait ça. À côté de la pomme, c'est la banane. Bravo. Celui-là, il va où? Basse. Il va où le basse? Very good job. Very good. Ça c'est quoi?
5.
5.
Ça, c'est 20 du mot.
5. Bravo. 7. Il va où le 7? star.
24.
Oui. Little star. And what you are. Allez, ça va où?
Up above.
Allez, ça va où la star? Allez.
Up above the world so high.
Allez, ça va où? Ça va là?
In
Ça va là?
sky.
Papa, il attend. Merci.
You finished? Tweena, tweena, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
How I wonder what you are.
My daughter is a little character. Her child is a character. Just like her brother was. No difference. A little performer. Once the camera is on, they just gotta put on a show. Anyway, y'all, I'm in the kitchen whooping dinner real quick for the fam bam. And I'm making salmon and veggies, and I have some quinoa for the kids. So that's what's dinner gonna be tonight. See, you guys get a new song? So it's not head, shoulder, knees, and toes alone anymore. You're getting twinkle, twinkle now.
Fish. What's up?
And she now into Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, and Baby Shark, Tuturu. So you guys, see her what she perform and she puts it on the show right now. You guys know she loves singing. Dinner time. You guys, here goes dinner. Salmon don't finish cook, but we're gonna start eating. I mean, there's more in the air fryer. You guys, mission accomplished. Sarah is now eating broccoli without it being pureed. Look at God. Look at that. What you eating, Sarah? Broccoli? Say broccoli. Say broccoli.
Say what you're eating. Say what is this? Say what is this? Broccoli.
We love our broccoli. What is this? What is this? What is it? Broccoli? What? Sorry, I want to just eat broccoli alone. It's yummy? Yummy. Good girl. What is it? What you eating?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Enjoying the pool without me. I can't go in the pool today, ladies. So I'm breezing out on the sidelines. Sarah. Hi. Hi, Sarah. Cuckoo. Boing. Boing. Look at her. She going to. Oh. 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 Let's end the vlog, husband. And don't give any trouble, please.
Promise. Pinky promise.
No. End the vlog.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. It's the end of the day. I'm here watching football while she's here walking. Anyway, I hope you all had a good day. I hope you all had an amazing weekend, an amazing day. Today is a new week for us. It's the end of the week soon for you. And yeah, I hope you're all doing well. It's getting hot.
It's getting hot.
It's hot. In how can I say, like in
Oh
3 days,
God.
it completely changed. I mean,
I am burning up.
last week it was good weather, but it was breathable. In one day, you have to turn on all of the fan, sweating, headache, have to avoid going out in the middle of the day, and it's gonna be the same for, I think it's the beginning of the summer. So yeah,
And
hope
it's
where
only
you are,
June.
only June, and well, I guess
Remember, Jamaicans has been burning up all year round.
oh
So
yeah,
why are we complaining
we
though?
complain, we forget fast. We forget
Yep, my
fast.
Jamaicans been going
Story
through
of
it.
human being. You see things, you just say, it's like you're going in vacation, okay? You're going in vacation in a poor country. And when you're there, you just see kids can't go to school, can't eat properly, have nothing, just trying to enjoy life with nothing. And when you see that, you're just saying that, okay, I can't do nothing, but I promise myself I'm not going to complain anymore about the little things. Like, for example, you're on your phone and you have no age and you're cursing. I mean, you're just saying, okay, this is things that I will never complain again about these things. Your laptop just going slow and you're complaining. Oh, people that have no laptop, they don't even know what is laptop. They don't have no phone. They have nothing, and they're happy. So you
That
just
is
promise
so
yourself
true.
that, and
That
so
is
you go
so
back home
true.
after the vacation, and after 1 week, 2 weeks,
Oops.
your laptop going slow, and you start back. You forget everything that you saw 2 weeks ago.
So
They say they can't understand. So yeah, that was just saying that we complain about the heat because we're just in it, and Jamaican are in the heat since forever. So yeah, we complain, we forget, and forgive us.
Forgive us.
Have anything to say? You see, I didn't do no
Trouble tonight.
trouble.
Yeah, but I love when you do trouble. Anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam, and before you click off this video, go ahead and click the link down below and use my code Melissa Delaveaus 10 to get your percent off any jewelry that you choose on Anna Luisa down below. Click right now. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.